Taylor Stewart, and today we're going to be installing front sponsons, rear sponsons, and a ride plate that we got from Watercraft Racing. Now I'm going to install the front sponson. My first step, I'm going to measure from the back of the boat 35 inches to the tip of the sponson, and that's where I'm going to lay it and start drilling my holes. 9 inches from the nose of the boat, I'm going to mark my hole and pre-drill it. So I've got my sponson measured where I'm going to put it. It's got it set up here. Now I'm going to mark each hole so I can pre-drill them so I can get the holes where I need to put my screws in there. Okay, so I've got all my holes drilled through the hole, ready to go. I'm gonna put my silicone on my sponson, put it on the boat, fold it up. Okay, I'm also gonna put silicone in my bolt holes just for that extra protection. So I have my rear sponson. This was very, very easy to install. All I did was put it on my hole, exactly where I wanted it. Drilled 3 holes, got it lined up. I've got my metal back piece that's threaded that I'll thread my bolt through. Got my Loctite on my bolt, put it in the hole, and now all I gotta do is tighten it up, and that's that for the rear sponson. Okay, the next thing that we're going to install is the ride plate. I've taken the stock ride plate off. It was 6 bolts, very easy, take them right out of the ski. I've got my aftermarket Pro Watercraft Racing ride plate. Holes are already drilled. Put it right on the ski, bolt it up. Alright, well there it is, all bolted up on there. Really wasn't nothing to it. Measuring a couple spots, putting it up there, pre-drilling your holes and bolting it right up. Can't wait to go ride it. Thanks, Pro Watercraft Racing.